Hi everyone! We represent Lithuanian team and we are from Stasys Šalkauskis Gymnasium. This is our project, the House of Mother Nature. In other words, we are presenting our eco-house which uses renewable energy sources such as wind, sun and water. To start with, here we have a windmill. The power that is generated by windmills is 100% clean and it doesn't cause any pollution. So the wind turns the blades which spin a shaft which connects to a generator and makes electricity. Modern wind energy systems consist of three basic components: a tower, a rotor that is turned by the wind, and the unit, which houses the equipment, including the generator.
The primary source of all energy on planet Earth is from the sun. Solar power is generated directly from the sunlight. Solar power can be used for heating of homes and other buildings. When we use the solar power, we don't use any of Earth's resources like coal or oil. Solar power is also clean power that doesn't generate a lot of pollution.
So over here we have a river and a water wheel. A water wheel is a machine for extracting power from the flow of the water. The water is coming from the river like in this direction.
So here we have a vegetable patch and a compost. A compost is a type of fertilizer that is made from rotten plants. This kind of waste is often called green waste. It is easy and cheap to make as it requires is vegetable waste. The vegetable waste is broken down by bacteria and made into compost. To make a compost heap, you need some space fairly far from anyone who might have problems with the smell. The bottom corner of a garden or some other place a distance from the house is a good place. Compost heaps should also be placed on soil or grass. And what can you put into compost? Well, it can be vegetable or fruit peels, spoiled or rotten fruit, cut grass, leaves, straw or eggshells. But keep in mind that it should be placed further away from the house because it can smell really bad.